Welcome to Utter Mind. How to earn $10,000 per month using the power of mind. It is not possible to directly earn money using the power of the mind. Money is a physical or digital currency that is exchanged for goods, services, or financial transactions. It is not something that can be directly created or influenced through the power of thought alone. However, the power of the mind can play a role in helping you achieve your financial goals, such as earning $10,000 per month. Here are some strategies you can use to leverage the power of your mind to help you earn money. Set specific and realistic goals. Setting specific and realistic goals can help you focus your thoughts and efforts on what you want to achieve. When it comes to earning money, this might involve setting a goal to earn a certain amount of money by a specific date or to create a new source of income. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself on a daily basis. They can help you overcome negative thoughts and beliefs, and help you focus on what you want to achieve. For example, you could use affirmations such as I am capable and deserving of earning $10,000 per month, or I have the skills and resources to create a successful business. Visualize success. Visualization involves using your imagination to see yourself achieving your goals. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself earning $10,000 per month. See yourself in your mind's eye as successful and financially secure, and imagine how it feels to achieve this goal. Take action towards your goals. It's important to take action towards your goals, even if they seem impossible or out of reach. This might involve researching different ways to earn money, networking with potential clients or partners, or taking steps to create a new source of income. There are many strategies take action you can use to earn $10,000 per month. Some options to consider include: Number 1. Start a side hustle. A side hustle is a part-time business or gig that you can do on the side of your full-time job. There are many ways to earn money through a side hustle, such as offering a service, selling a product, or creating content. With a side hustle, you can tap into your skills and interests to create a new source of income. Number 2. Invest in a rental property. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate regular rental income, which can help you achieve your financial goals. Keep in mind that investing in rental properties involves risk, and it's important to do your due diligence before making any decisions. Number 3. Sell items you no longer need. If you have items that you no longer use or need, consider selling them online or through a garage sale. This can be a quick way to generate some extra cash and can help you declutter your home at the same time. Number 4. Offer a service. If you have a particular skill or expertise, consider offering it as a service. This could include things like tutoring, consulting, or offering a specialized service such as photography or web design. By offering a service, you can use your skills to earn money on your own terms. Number 5. Take on additional work. If you are looking to earn $10,000 per month and you already have a full-time job, consider taking on additional work. This could involve working overtime, taking on freelance or temporary work, or finding a part-time job in addition to your full-time job. Be persistent and consistent. Achieve $10,000 per month is not a one-time effort. It will require persistence and consistency to make it happen. Stay focused on your goals, and keep working towards them every day. By following these strategies and using the power of your mind to stay focused and motivated, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Remember that earning money also involves practical steps, such as developing skills, networking, and taking risks. The power of the mind can help you stay positive and motivated, but it is not a substitute for taking action and working towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Utter Mind.